Ever stared at your bank statement, a digital sea of transactions, and wondered, is there a faster, cleaner way to get this into my budget? You're not alone. We're all chasing that elusive feeling of financial control, and one tool that consistently pops up is YNAB, or you need a budget. But here's the burning question: does YNAB leverage the power of open banking to streamline this process? Let's unpack this. We know YNAB is renowned for its zero-based budgeting philosophy. Every dollar gets a job, and that's fantastic. But manually entering transactions? That can feel like a chore, especially in our fast-paced digital world. That's where open banking comes in. It's the concept of securely sharing your financial data with authorized third parties, like budgeting apps, with your explicit consent. Imagine your transactions flowing seamlessly into your budget, eliminating the need for manual entry. It sounds like a dream, right? So, back to our original question, does YNAB utilize open banking? The answer is a bit nuanced. YNAB does offer direct import functionality, but it's not universally based on the open banking frameworks we see in places like the UK or Europe. Instead, YNAB relies on direct connections with financial institutions, facilitated through partnerships with data aggregation services. Essentially, when you link your bank account to YNAB, these services securely retrieve your transaction data. This process is similar in outcome to open banking, but the underlying mechanisms can differ. The availability of these direct import features varies significantly by country and financial institution. Some banks offer robust, reliable connections, while others might have limited or no support. This means that while YNAB aims to simplify transaction entry, the experience can vary. For some users, it's a seamless, automated process. For others, manual entry might still be a regular part of their budgeting routine. It's crucial to check if your bank is supported by YNAB's import features in your region. Now, why does this matter? Well, open banking, at its core, is about empowering consumers with greater control over their financial data. It fosters innovation and competition, leading to potentially better financial tools. If YNAB were to fully embrace standardized open banking APIs, it could potentially expand its compatibility and improve the user experience for a wider audience. However, the reality of financial data security and the complexities of international banking regulations mean that implementation is not always straightforward. YNAB prioritizes security, and that's essential. They work diligently to ensure that your data is handled responsibly, adhering to industry best practices and encryption standards. The landscape of financial technology is constantly evolving. As open banking gains traction globally, we can expect to see more integration and automation in budgeting tools. Whether YNAB adopts more standardized open banking frameworks in the future remains to be seen. But one thing is clear: the demand for seamless financial data integration is growing. For now, remember to check YNAB's official resources for the most up-to-date information on supported banks and import features in your region. And if you're looking for ways to streamline your budgeting process, explore the various import options available within YNAB. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.